Hi, it's Ali here today in Enfield Clinic. Been long time searching for a clinic which they're professional, which they're good. So I was searching for that, and finally I found Enfield Clinic. I have a teeth implant to do today, and you know, it's not just something easy. You need to choose the right person, the right doctor. And for this one, I hear from my friends that Enfield is one of the best. I came here last week for consultation. I see the environment, I see the doctor, the way how they are checking and the process. Today I choose them, and let's check the process.
So we have just done from Mr. Ali. We did for him the implant. We placed the implant inside the bone, and we will wait after 3 months to put the crown inside. How's the experience?
To be honest, special thanks to Dr. Khalid, such a professional doctor. And I was coming here, and to be honest, I was thinking it's gonna be too much pain when they're gonna do that and this service. Dr. Khalid told me, relax. My hand is magic hand. And after the process, no pain, not at all, as you see. I'm talking correctly. And all thanks to Dr. Khalid again.
All good, you are most welcome. And see you, inshallah, after 3 months.
Make sure you will visit Enfield. This is my recommendation to all of you who's watching this video.